Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Beauty Meets DIY. This is Helen. Thank you so much for watching. So today I bring to you another glam wall sconce, a flower wall sconce. These are the items that you're going to need from the Dollar Tree. Now I know that the video is going a little fast, but remember guys, I will list everything down in the description box below. Guys, if you are new to my channel or you are subscribing today, don't forget to hit that bell so you can be notified of my next video. And for those that are subscribed, thank you so much for your continued support. Alright guys, so now we are going to go ahead and get into our tutorial. So this is what the end result is going to look like. Here I'm showing you what the leaves are for our flower. And I kind of drew a little guide here just to show you that the stems have to go in opposite direction, and the leaves you're going to need one that measures 4.5 inches and another one measuring 6 inches. So go ahead and guide yourself from that drawing. Now we're going to start taping everything off to where we're going to cut. Here I'm measuring my first piece at 6 inches, my first leaf. And this one is going to measure 4.5. But just remember, as you cut both of them, that you cut them the right size according to how you want them to face for each one. What direction you want them to face. So now we're going to start cutting with our hot tool or our hot knife. If you saw my first video, my wall sconce, you'll see that I did use this tool and I purchased it at Michael's. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it down below so you can go ahead and watch it. Now we're going to go ahead and cut our second leaf here. And there you have it. Now we're going to start working on what's going to serve as our stem of our flower, and you want to go ahead and position the tape right there along the ledge where the bowl begins and cut a straight line there. This is our stem again, and we want to position the tape on an angle just like I'm showing you here. And the reason why we're doing this is because once we cut it, this is where our bowl is going to lay, and our bowl is what's going to serve as our flower. Now I'm applying my bling wrap all over or all around both of my leaves and my stem. Okay, so I've already applied my bling wrap all around. What I'm holding here is my stem, and I also did that for my leaves. See that little hole there? We are going to not apply a gemstone, but we are going to apply gemstones to just our leaves. Not our stem, but just our leaves. Just like I'm showing you here. Now I'm applying some bling wrap around my tea light, and I'm applying a Velcro. I believe I got these at the Dollar Tree as well, and this is what's going to hold it in place. So now we're going to apply our bling wrap all over our bowl there, and on the inside where I'm showing you here is where I'm going to apply these gemstones. So there you go. I went ahead and did that, and I also applied it on that inner circle as well, and on top of our tea light also, those gemstones there. So here I have my little acrylic gems, and the reason why we didn't put that sticker on our stem is because I'm going to use a little loop ring, and I'm going to attach it to our stem. And there you go. And so now for our leaves, we've already applied that little round gemstone, and now we're going to hot glue our acrylic gem. If you have another way of doing this, go ahead and do it. If you have a better idea than I did, but I just went ahead and hot glued them. And that's what it looks like at the end. So now I'm letting you know how it's so important for this project to use the E6000 and the hot glue. Hot glue alone, guys, believe me, it's not going to hold this piece. I did it for video purposes and it did not hold. So I suggest that you use the E6000 or something very similar when you're working with this piece throughout, including your napkin ring holder and your mirror. You might want to work on the napkin ring and mirror before you start working on this piece, just so it can be drying as you move ahead. So here you go. My stem, my first flower is going in one direction, and then the other one you want it to go in the opposite direction. And so now this is how you want to apply your bow, not sitting upright but on an angle like I'm showing you here. Again, not like this, but like this. This is how you want to put it on, and you can guide yourself with that gemstone, that line, the one that I applied on the inside of the bow. You can use that as a guide. And again, you want to apply your E6000, your hot glue. You can tape that off and let it dry overnight. So now I'm going to adhere the napkin ring holder to the mirror and apply gemstones all around it. So here I'm showing you how to apply the command strips. When I did my first wall sconce, some people were saying how I did not show this step. I do apologize for that. So I took this opportunity to show you. So basically you're going to need two of them, and you're going to position it the way I'm showing you here. You're going to remove the tape from one of them, okay, and you're going to apply it upright, just like this. You can even remove that sticker from the back of the mirror. So you're going to press on tightly there, and then you're going to take the other one and you're going to have it face each other and press down really well. Make sure it's on there securely, and then once you're ready to hang it on the wall, you're going to remove this tape like I'm showing you here. You're going to remove it off all the way, and then you're going to hang it on the wall. Okay, so now I am taping off where I have decided that I want to position my 6-inch leaf. And again, I'm using the hot glue for video purposes only. Again and again, I can't say it enough. Use the E6000. I'm using a ruler here, but you can kind of just decide where you want to place each of your leaves. Here I'm taping off on the other side where I have decided that I want to place my 4.5-inch leaf. Just like that. And so there you have it. It's glued on. And I went ahead and applied some bling wrap just to hide where the glue, the imperfections, and where we have glued everything together. Now we're going to adhere it to the mirror there and the napkin ring holder. I went ahead and applied the gemstones, and this is what it's looking like. There you go. And so this is the end result, guys. I think it turned out really beautiful. It takes a lot of work and patience, so if you do not have that, this is not the project for you. But if you do have patience, then I think you will like the way it turns out. It's going to require a lot of, you know, E6000 and hot glue and tape, and you know, positioning it correctly, and you know, having it lean against something while it dries overnight. But the end result, this is what it looks like. I really do love the way it turned out. I hope that you do too, and that you recreate it. And if you do, please share a picture with me. I would love to see. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and again, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Hit that bell, give me a thumbs up so that I know that you want more videos like this. Thanks again, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.